Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about RYZE superfood mushroom coffee. You should buy this coffee or not. Does their coffee really work? They are legit or it just another waste of money product? Okay, if we talk about this brand, basically this brand is approx like 6 years from now, and in the period of 6 years they have a good reputation on internet. Okay, so it means they are very popular on internet. Okay, now let's talk about what they are offering. Basically they are offering mushroom coffees. Okay, and they are also offering you mushroom ritual set, and they have also is a RYZE starter kit. So basically each and everything they are providing all are very you can say very unique, okay, and very creative things they are providing you. Okay, and if we talk about what are the main benefits of mushroom coffee, basically mushroom coffees are very good related to stress related problems, related to focus related problems, because they have a Leonese mane and immune booster like saga and reishi. Okay, due to antioxidants and adaptations, these coffees is really helpful for your body. And if we talk about like normal coffee and mushroom coffee, basically if we talk about like normal coffees, basically they have lots of caffeine, but in the mushroom coffee they have very less caffeine. Okay, so if we talk about you should buy or not, definitely you can make a purchase, but the thing is try to avoid take subscription, because when you visit on the profile on their page on Trustpilot, some user is complaining like they are facing problems related to subscription cancellation. So my suggestion is only this: if you really want to try their coffee, you can go with amazon.com, or you can purchase one time purchase. Don't try to take subscription if you are not a technical person, because you have to cancel your subscription by making some efforts. Otherwise you have to pay fees in the form of subscription. This is the only little bit problem. Otherwise brand is 100% legit. You can make a purchase and you can get the benefits. Okay, so you can see like $66 refill ship in 30 days. So they have a subscription based service also. Okay, so if you are if you want their product regularly, then you can activate subscription and you can save your money. But if you want to try only, you can go on amazon.com, you can find the product, or you can purchase the product only for one time. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any experience, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.